In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up autopay on Citibank credit card. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have installed the Citibank application and that you have created an account and linked your credit card. It is really important that you do that, and Citibank will typically walk you through the entire process. If you run into any issues, they also do have customer support where you can go ahead and call a representative to help you through the entire process. But in order to actually set up autopay, all you need to do is you need to go to the top menu and press on credit cards just like so. Then your credit card is going to appear just like this. Now you should see an option over here that says set up auto pay, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on that. And then from here, you're able to go ahead and select the minimum payment due, the last statement balance, and you can basically customize it to your liking. So I'm just going to go ahead and select on minimum payment due. And then you can go ahead and select on renew auto pay. And obviously you can go ahead and customize it however you like. And then all you need to do is you need to review your auto pay, then go ahead and select on enroll. And then from there, you are good to go. At any point in time, you guys can edit the auto pay or you can turn it off for whatever reason. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.